Okay, so to change your cabin air filter for a Hyundai Santa Cruz 2023 Ultimate, you have to go behind it's located right behind the glove box compartment on the passenger side of your vehicle. So we just pop it open here, and then right by the side we have this pin that we have to pull out. If you yank on this, let's pull on it, pop it out. Okay, you see that is off. And then also there's also another part that you need to push in order to have it pop in. So I'll just push on this. It's actually on both sides. There's also another side here that you need to push in. Okay, so this side as well, we get all of this to come out. So when that collapses, so at the very back you have, this is a panel that goes into the cabin air filter, and we have some pins at the edge here. So we squeeze this and pull out, so it comes out this way. So that is the air filter itself we're looking for. I'm just going to pull this out, and as you can see, this one is really dirty, and that's we note the direction of airflow, and that's the compartment. And I'm going to replace it with this one. No, it's not really the original, but it's still going to work. So I'm going to pop that one in, similar to the way that I took the other one out. And as you can see, that fits. Same manner, I'm going to put back this covering panel in. That side goes in first. We get this on this side first, and then this other end just pops right back in, securely in place. And we go back, same, we walk our way back by first attaching this in. You just press it a little bit in on both sides, and then we pop this right back in as well. Let's get this up, and once it is closed, I'm going to pop this in just like so. So it's all good, and we are back in business. So that's it.